In a crystal, we have clear evidence of the existence of a formative life principle, and though we cannot understand the life of a crystal, it is nonetheless a living being.
Crystals are everywhere, from the rocks beneath our feet to the silicon chips powering our devices. But could they be more than just geological formations? Crystals are highly ordered structures, exhibiting fractal patterns much like trees or galaxies. This perfect order could be the key to life's origin. Some scientists believe that crystals provided a framework for organic molecules to arrange themselves, sparking the earliest forms of life. While we typically think of life as chaotic and constantly evolving, they're defined by stability and structure, a potential bridge between non-living and living matter. Could crystals be a missing link in the story of life? Perhaps their ordered nature holds secrets we've yet to discover. After all, life itself might be more than just organic. It could be crystalline.